If you take cuttings, you should cut off the leaves, because when planted, the leaves will also wither, and if left intact, it will rob the new branches of nutrients. To stimulate the branches to grow quickly before planting, I will use thinly sliced onions mixed with water and then soak the sweet potato branches for 45 minutes. To provide adequate nutrition for the sweet potato cuttings from the start, I use worm castings mixed with soil. Vermicompost has very high nutritional value and good antibacterial properties. In addition, I also use an automatic green composter. It will provide long-term nutrition for plants. After 45 minutes of composting, we planted the sweet potatoes. After planting, we used the green manure from the kitchen and put it in a container. Once the sweet potato cuttings have taken root and sprouted, we'll start taking care of them. First, I'll till the soil, weed it, and help the soil metabolize. And I'll add more soil to help the plants grow more fully. You guys use the automatic fertilization method very well. We can take advantage of green manure in the kitchen. Put it in a bottle, the manure will decompose and absorb nutrients to the outside to feed the plants. To help the plant grow more comprehensively, I use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish mixed with water to water the plant. The plant can absorb nutrients immediately. The sweet potatoes I planted are growing well. The leaves are still green to promote the plant to produce many big tubers. We need to take care of them. In addition to fertilizing and watering the plants, to prevent pests and mold on the leaves, I use 1 onion clove mixed with water and spray evenly on the plants. After 45 days of planting sweet potatoes, let's harvest to see if the plant has many tubers. It's amazing that thanks to the right sweet potato variety and proper care, after only 45 days, the sweet potatoes have many large tubers that we can use in everyday dishes. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.